I'm James Peters, Product Manager at Nureva, and in this video, we'll look at device monitoring and management with Nureva Console. Nureva Console is our secure, cloud-based platform that makes it easy for you to manage and monitor your Nureva audio systems from anywhere. Included with all our devices, Nureva Console gives you complete control and visibility across all your rooms, helping you keep everything running smoothly. To begin, go to the Nureva Console sign-up page, enter your email, name and password, agree to the terms, and create your account. Check your inbox to verify your email before signing in at console.nureva.com. Next, you'll need to enroll your device to connect it to Nureva Console. Just enter the enrollment code. You'll find this on the Connect module for HDL310 and HDL410 devices and on the System Hub for HDX devices. The enrollment code can also be found in the Nureva app. Now, you're all set. The color-coded dashboard gives you an instant view of room readiness. You can see which devices are online and spot any issues at a glance. You'll also see whether updates are available. You can install them individually or in bulk. Nureva Console provides intelligent monitoring so you can fix problems before they impact your meeting or classes. You can see real-time statuses for all your Nureva audio systems. And with automatic email alerts, you'll know right away if a device goes offline, a cable is unplugged, or updates are ready. If your device needs your attention, you can respond to it immediately. Keeping your Nureva devices up to date couldn't be easier. The Room Overview page gives you one-tap access to update, calibrate, or restart your system. You can instantly see USB and device statuses as well as background noise levels with detailed info in each status card. With room profiles, you can adapt the space for multiple meeting and learning scenarios. Whether it's a faculty meeting or a full all-hands session, you can instantly switch between up to 3 pre-configured setups that include zones and camera switching settings. No manual reconfiguration is required. You'll find all your audio controls from microphone EQ and noise reduction to speaker output modes and voice detection. You can apply optimized presets for Microsoft Teams rooms or Zoom rooms, adjust echo reduction, set the USB speed, and configure local integrations like camera tracking. Under Devices, you can view hardware details like the MAC address and IP, check bar statuses, and add peripherals, including external microphones for voice amplification, IP devices like cameras and camera switches, and devices with analog auxiliary connections. The Tools page helps you diagnose issues quickly with network checks, audio resets, and downloadable logs for our technical support team. You can also quickly restart a system, making troubleshooting fast and efficient. And a support request form is available on the Tools page as well. Support requests submitted through Nureva Console will automatically include key device data, helping our support team respond faster. When it comes to optimizing classrooms and meeting spaces, you need data. With analytics and insights, you'll understand how rooms are performing and being used over time. Explore background noise patterns, sound location visualizations, signal-to-noise ratio levels, and device usage trends. To explore all the features of Nureva Console, be sure to check out our user guide. And of course, remember to subscribe to our YouTube channels for more great videos.